Lecture number 34. Reactions involving COOH group. That is the last part of the lesson. The entire COOH group is included here. See, the very first is a reduction reaction. Now, अगर आपको oxidation याद है तो it was a primary alcohol को oxidize किया, you get aldehyde. Aldehydes on oxidation gives a carboxylic acid. Opposite of oxidation is reduction. So, if it is a carboxylic acid, if it is reduced with lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether and the hydronium ion, it is converted to a primary alcohol. It is exactly the opposite reaction of oxidation. Easy to remember. So, I have taken the example for the same. If it is cyclopropane carboxylic acid, if it is reduced, it would be converted to the corresponding primary alcohol, where it is a COOH group which is included. Next, with this reaction even you have done in 11th standard. If you remember, it was the very first method of preparation of alkane. A sodium salt of carboxylic acid. It is reacted with soda lime. What is soda lime? It is a mixture of NaOH and CaO together. When heated, it is the removal of Na2CO3. It is called as a decarboxylation reaction. D matlab removal of carbon dioxide. So it is called as a decarboxylation reaction converted to an alkane. Now, if you remember, I had told you, अगर आपको methane चाहिए, then what will you do? R is equal to CH3. Just replace R is equal to CH3. So, this is sodium acetate reacting with soda lime converted to methane. The limitation of the reaction, the number of carbon atoms reduced by 1. You have to take care of such reactions where the carbon atoms either increase or decreases because the number of reactions are very less. Now, the next category of the reactions we go for the substitution reactions in the hydrocarbon part. It is not included for the COH group. It is responsible for the alkyl group. अभी alkyl group का क्या होता है? Hydrocarbon part of the COH group. It is called as a HVZ reaction. It's a name reaction. What is it called as? It is called as a Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. It is called as Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. So, when a carboxylic acid which contains a alpha hydrogen, carboxylic group को जो carbon है, that would be a alpha carbon. वो अल्फा कार्बन को जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. सो इट इज अल्फा हाइड्रोजन जो है दैट इज सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय अ हैलोजन. इट इज रिएक्टेड विद हैलोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड फॉस्फोरस. तो जितने भी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम्स है दे विल बी सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बाय अ हैलोजन. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज Hell-Vollard-Zelinsky reaction. That is the name reaction. See, I have written an example over here taking acetic acid. अभी acetic acid में there are 3 replaceable hydrogen atoms. So the reaction continues till every hydrogen is being replaced by bromine. So see what I have written is the end product of the reaction. All the 3 hydrogen atoms they are replaced by bromine. That is the end product. The last type of reaction, it is a ring substitution. Benzoic acid when reacted with a nitrating mixture. What do I get? I get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. No need to by heart. As you know that COOH group is a meta-directing group. COOH is a meta-directing group. Hence, the substitution will be taking place at the meta position. So it is meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Benzoic acid reacting with any reactant XYZ, that reagent will go at the meta position. So again, if you carry out the same reaction with the halogenation, FeBr3 acting as a Lewis acid. So it is a halogenation reaction. The bromine group goes at the meta position. So it is meta-bromobenzoic acid. So these are the ring substitution reactions taking place in benzoic acid. The uses of benzoic acid or the uses of carboxylic acid which are not written here even may be expected in the exam as a 1 mark question. You can just by heart it. That is formic acid. It is used in the rubber, textile or in the electroplating industry. Acetic acid आपको vinegar मालूम है. It can also be used as a solvent. Adipic acid is used in the preparation of nylon 66. The esters of benzoic acid is used as a perfumery. This can come even as MCQs में. सोडियम बेंजोएट ये आया था एग्जाम में, बोर्ड एग्जाम में एमसीक्यू में आया था. सोडियम बेंजोएट इज यूज्ड एज अ फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव, डैश इज यूज्ड एज अ फूड प्रिजर्वेटिव. और परफ्यूमरी में क्या यूज होता है? इट इज द ईस्टर ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड इज यूज्ड इन द परफ्यूमरी. So all this may come in the MCQs. So that is all about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylate. We have completed the lesson. The lesson has got a maximum weightage. And after this we start with D and F block element. Also has got more weightage in your paper 2. So prepare to your best of organic chemistry. It's the only subject which can give you full marks just like maths. Wish you all the best.